Alright guys, so these bolts here, the big ones, are just a 13mm, so we're going to zip those off here quick. Oh, we got two more under here that I missed. Just like that. We're off. So I'm going to work at getting this grommet pulled out here, and then we'll disconnect the wiring harness here. Okay guys, so we had to pop this panel right here. We had to pop that off. Alright guys, once you have the connectors removed here, and you can actually just push on this little white piece right there, and that'll make that grommet pop out, so then you can feed the wires through on this side. Just like that. Alright guys, we've got it out. So now we're going to have to figure out how to get the rear camera out of there. So we're going to reattach the camera assembly to the new mount, and then we'll go ahead and start putting that new mount in. Unscrew these plastic pieces and get this foam out of there. You can actually just turn those by hand, even though it has a star on the under plastic. Plastic little guys there that thread into that. Okay, now we got to take off this and well, they're T30s. So you can see after you do that, then this piece comes out with the studs. And then hopefully this piece will come out here and we can get that camera out. Let's see what happens. Okay, if it won't come out, we're going to see if we can't force it out. Like that. Okay, guys, if it will not come out, if it's locked in there like mine, just take like a flathead or something and punch it out from the front like that. That's all it took. Alright guys, one more thing that we have to do to get this camera finally out of this assembly. There is a Torx there holding this in. So we are going to take that Torx off, and then we'll get the camera actually out. T15 if you wanted to know which one you need for that. Like that. That little bracket out. And then from the front here, looks like there's probably some other clips holding that thing in there. There we go. We got it out finally, guys. So we'll probably just air that out with some air, clean it up a little bit, and then we'll